All right, today I have a Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the heated seats in this particular Chevy Silverado. Sometimes you need a little bit of heat under your, in your Chevy Silverado because it can get cold as outside, okay? I'm going to show you how to turn on the heated seats so you can keep your warm, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. But before I get started, if you found my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm behind the steering wheel of my Chevy, look at that, Chevy Silverado. In order to turn on the heated seats, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look to this side right here, and I'm going to find this button that looks like this. You see this? Heated seats, okay? So driver's side and passenger side over here, okay? If you go ahead and press this button, it goes automatically to the highest temperature, okay? And it's the highest temperature, and you can press it again, medium temperature, lower temperature, and off. And the same thing right here, high temperature when I first press it, medium temperature, low temperature, and off, okay? When it's in off position, it is no longer heating your, okay? And it is off. So that is how you turn on and off the heated seats on a Chevy Silverado. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay warm.